I'm in my apartment building, third floor. I just went out to throw the trash, and there's someone lying in the stairwell, like at the bottom, I think.
Okay, miss, stay calm. Is the person moving? Do they appear to be
I
breathing?
can't tell. It's kind of dark. They're lying there like twisted. It doesn't look right.
Alright. I need you to approach and check if the person is conscious. Can you do that for me?
I don't know. Something about it feels off. Like, they're not. I mean, they look. It doesn't look like a person anymore.
Miss, I need you to confirm.
Okay. Okay, I'm going down.
Hello. The person you called is unavailable. Please leave a message after the beep.